The beauty of BAPCO is you bring all the subject matter experts together in one location, so therefore you get an opportunity to sit in conference sessions and actually listen to people who are working in this industry every day.
I think the sessions at BAPCO are kind of wide-reaching in way of experience, both from a technology perspective, but also kind of patient and user, but it's really brought to life by attending some of the sessions.
I think it's really important in terms of learning what's going on in this and just generally in public safety technology. I really do think that there's a lot of innovation that is happening, and really getting close and up in front is really important. But the other thing I think is really about meeting people and having those conversations.
If you're interested in the public safety ecosystem, this is the one event you should be at. The event attracts all the partners, all the sponsors, the ecosystems in one place for a few days. You can truly immerse yourself, take away an awful lot. Today I talked about the integration of terrestrial and space-based communications for understanding how we use today's 4G and 5G networks with a space-based asset. That could be providing mobile backhaul, or maybe in the future an alternative direct-to-device communication that works with terrestrial as part of a heterogeneous network. The beauty of BAPCO is you bring all the subject matter experts together in one location, so therefore you get an opportunity to sit in conference sessions and actually listen to people who are working in this industry every day. So there's a wealth of experience and a wealth of knowledge. If you're interested in the public safety ecosystem, this is the one event you should be at. The event attracts all the partners, all the sponsors, the ecosystems in one place for a few days. You can truly immerse yourself, take away an awful lot. I'm really interested to kind of walk around, meet some of our partners who are here as well, but also find something a little bit new. Understand who's thinking about things slightly differently, start some new conversations and see how we can develop new business deals.
We're looking at the use of new technology to support public safety, but global safety and security. So particularly focusing on big data and AI, how that's being applied within NATO.
Why is it important for people to visit BAPCO?
To find out what's happening. The world's changing. The world's changing. The security space is changing. The safety and security space is dramatically different to how it was just a couple of years ago. The challenges people are facing, all of that's moving, and the technology to support it, the technology to be able to respond to events, to disasters, to crises, to incidents. All of that's changing at high speed. To understand what's available, what's possible with the technology, how it can be used, how it can be applied. That's one of the critical things that people get from an event like this.
And what else are you looking forward to seeing at the show today?
I'm really looking forward to looking at all of the very cool technology that I see scattered around behind you. There's lots of things going on. It's difficult for anyone to keep up, but an event like this where all of the technology providers are coming, they're bringing their latest products. Also, the fact that it's also with a huge number of users, so to be able to talk to people about how they're working with technology, how they're applying it, what benefits they're getting. That's one of the key things that you get from an event like this.
My BAPCO experience in one word: insightful.
Collaboration comes to mind, a collaboration of all the various different user organisations, suppliers. We have something of everything.
I would say illuminating.
Engaging.
I think if I had to settle for one, I would say inclusive. If I could go a little bit wider, I would add welcoming, inclusive, knowledgeable.
Essential.
I think it's really interesting to hear the conversation when people are talking about some of these things that are happening in the sector. So I say engaging is my keyword, yeah.